and then you can continue on your own. Okay, so I am creating one class called new class map demo 1. I'm creating one class. Okay, so these things anyway you have to remember always, right? Class structure, public class, this one, and how you write a main method and all. Okay, now so I have how to create map. Whatever I explained, I'm just writing one more time. Map. Okay, if you'll hover, it will give you map cannot be resolved. Okay, map. Then if you'll hover, it will give you control suggestion, basically java.util package map. Then see, it is giving you key value. So instead of key, okay, I'm writing here as string, and value, my value is string. Okay, and then some name. This is a variable name, new hash map. I can create new hash map like this, and then you have to import again. Hash map is, you have to import one more time, java.util package. So my map, this is how you create it. Now suppose I'll write map.put. Okay, and I did the same thing, map.city, name, and if I'll write here, okay, name equal to Sunita, I'll write, I have one thing, and then if I'll write, I'll just copy paste here, map dot, okay, map.city, city equal to Pleasanton, and then state equal to CA, and then country USA. Okay, so just to print, just to show how it is there. So sorry, just to show now what my map contains. So if I'll run the program, it will show me, see, name, country. See, it is, I stored name Sunita first, but it is coming as country USA first, then city, then name Sunita. It's random order. Okay, now if I want to iterate these things, or if I, before iterating also, if I want to just display one line, so SOUT, I told you how to display. Oh, sorry. Okay, map dot get key, it will give me individual map dot get. So map dot get, suppose if I'll give me name, it will print me name. Name is what? It's not a variable, right? It's a, this thing you have to give, it's a string. So if we'll give name, it's not a variable, basically it's a key value pair. So if we'll give name, it will print you name equal to name Sunita. So similarly, if I'll write map dot get some state, it will give me that value, map dot state, it will give me CA, California. It's like that you can do. If I want to add one more time, you can do map dot put and all. Okay, and this is the basic program. Okay, let me comment it out, all these things, and I'm creating a program. Okay, let me comment it out also, this one, or else better I'll create one more class instead of overriding that one. I'm creating one more class, map demo 2. So just to have a clear understanding, we explained on that problem, like suppose I have a string called str, and I'm giving hello, I am good in Java, like I have a string like this. So my goal is to count how many characters repeated how many times. Okay, if I have to repeat, okay, total, count me the total characters, you can use the inbuilt function get length, or you can iterate through each character and then increase a counter. That way you can do. But as I said, if I want to do how many characters repeated how many times, this is a simple program. Okay, the last, then that I have to store somewhere this thing character to how many repeated, so it needs a map, like you will think that way. So for that, then how I have to do, first I have to create a map. So the map will be of type what? Tell me.
String.
You want to store in map what? Each character, right? Each character is repeating how many times? So you have to, your map will be the type of what? Character and integer, right? So map, okay, if we'll hover here now, or not hover, I think you have to put this one, map.util. Okay, so you can give here, or you can write, you can write on your own. So character and integer, capital integer, always these kind of things we use the object, basically class object, like map integer. So I'll store map equals to new hash map, right? New hash map. So integer spelling is wrong, so it is like this you created. So I have a map now to store a character and integer. Now how to iterate string? For I can use a for loop. For int I equals to 0, I is less than string. What is my string? Str. Tell me. Str dot length. Okay, and then I plus plus, that means it will iterate from 0 to all the index of the length, all the length till the length it will iterate. So how will I get the character, each character? So character ch equals to, how will I get each character? Str dot at caret index I. So first time it will give me h, second time it will give me e, ll, right? That now store, I have to store in a map. So if I'll store like that, then I can store how? Map dot put, then put, and then ch. The first time if I'll store here 1, second time I'll store ch2, like that some way I can store, right? Ch if I'll store, first time it will store h equals to 1, next time e also it will store 1, l also it will store 1, but if there is a repeating character h also, again also h it will store 1, right? So what I meant is h already stored as 1. Now next time when you have a h here, if you want to store like this, then what it will do, it will override h2 again one more time, right? It will not add. Got it? No? So you want to store the, suppose first time I have here, okay, right, let me write here HELLO. okay, h it stored, if it store ch, first time it store as 1, next iteration it will store EH1, L is 1, L value it will store 1, second L it will store again, if you put right it, then it will store what? L1, it will just override that L and value 1, it will not increase the count of L to 2, right? Because I'm just storing 1, so I can't use like this way. Okay, then the best way you can do is to check. Okay, I'll go in a detailed way, but we have a cleaner way, we'll go to later. But to check integer, how many times it is there. So integer count or what you can do, my value is this one. If I'll get integer count, if the value is not there, it will give me what? 0. So integer count equals to map dot, we have a method what? Get or default. Get will give me null if it is not there. Okay, so if it is, if you want to do, you don't want null pointer exception, you have to use get or default. I told you this is a very useful method. So my key is what? Ch. Okay, so and my value is, what is the default value? If it is not there, what you want to get? You want to get 0, so it will give me 0. Now just for your understanding, okay, let me just print the map here. SOUT, if I'll just print my map here, now it will print. Oh, okay, I'm not putting, right? So character CHI and then map dot put, you have to add into map, right? Map dot put, what you have to put? Key is ch and value is how many times it is repeating. Count. I have additional bracket. Okay, so if I'll just run it for now, see, it is giving me a space. There is a fast character space, A0, D0, E0, everything. It is basically giving me 000. Okay, because okay, now what I have to do is, if so, why it is doing, because it is L is not there, it is storing, getting the value count as 0, and we are storing the count always 0. So if it is there, that means add to that values, add to the add the count. Let me do it a cleaner way, just for your understanding. So it count equal to map dot get a default of 0, then map dot put ch count. Here basically you have to do like this, map dot, okay, I can do like this. Instead of this, map dot put, this is straightforward. What you want to put? ch, okay, and then map dot get or default, and then ch, okay, it is too complicated, ch of 0, and then +1. I'll come to this one. Okay, just let me run the program. Okay, it's, you can see here the count. I'll explain what is happening here. Now I told you here character ch equals to str dot caret I, it will give me the character. Now int, I can write like this, if map contains key, what is my key? Character. Ch, right? If map contains key, or okay, if map contains key, then do something else. Map re nahi, map doesn't contains that key, means first time, suppose first time h, does map contains h? No, it will come to what? Else condition. If no, then just put map dot put ch. If it doesn't, this is the first time. No, if it is doesn't contain, this is the first time we are adding to the map. Count will be 1, right? If this is the first time. Okay, so map dot put ch1 if it doesn't contains. If it contains means suppose L is already added as 1. Now next time you are checking L, the second L. So what it will happen if it contains? So you have to get what is the already there, then add one more, right? So then you can say else int index equals to map dot get ch. So it will give me, return me what? First, second time. That means first time L is there, it will give me 1. When we are running second time L, it will come to what? Map contains key ko, right? Right? Then it will come here index, and map dot get ch, it will give me what? 1. Then what you want to do? You have to store the count, right? Increase the count. So then you have to store one more time here, map dot put, again you have to store, same value it will replace, but the count will increase 1 to 2. So what you can do, index, or not index, it is count plus 1. Got the program? If let me just do it a smaller one. So I'll do like this, hello. So o is repeating twice, L is repeating, H is repeating 1, like that. So when first time I am coming here, L, first time is H, is map contains, it will just iterate, first character is H. If map contains H, no, it will come here, it will store H count 1. Second time E map contains E, no, then it comes here, it stores here E count 1. And the third time L, map contains L, it will store L1. Now all the 3 stored. Second time now it will comes to L, then it will come here, map contains L, yes. Then our goal is, if it is contains yes, it will come here, map dot get ch. What it will give the count? 1, because L we already store 1, so it will give the count 1. but our goal is, since it is already there, it is the second time, we have to increase one more time. So we are putting same map dot put L, that means it will override that key L, but the value will be changed now from 1 to 2. Now if it has one more L here, suppose, then next time it will come 2, it will give me 2, and it will give 2 plus 1 3. Straightforward program, right? So if we'll run, if I'm printing this, you can see what happened. Oh, because I am using this one. Okay, so if I'll run example, see, E 1 time, H 1 time, L 3 time, O 0 2 time. So this is how the map condition, okay, we do. One more cleaner way is, like, you did lot of if else condition. Okay, once you are clear on this one, what you can do is, like, this one line code you can do. So character, I have this one, so I don't need all these if else condition. We have a simpler way in Java, map dot put. Now I want to store in map put. Okay, what you have to store? Character, and store how many times it is repeating. So the first time it will be a 0. If it is not there, it will be 0, but the next time if it is there, it will just add 1 1 1. So in the values, what you can do, map dot get or default. So that means you are saying, okay, check, take ch, check in the map ch is how many times. So map dot getter, if it is there, if it is already there, then it will return you the count. If it is not there, it will return you 0. Okay, and if it is already there, it will not there, it will return you 0. If it is already there, it will return you the count, how many times it is there. Take that one, do a plus 1, and then store it. So if you'll see, so what it will do, again, just I'll repeat one more time. Map dot put, what is the key? Key is whatever you are storing, H. What you want to store? The number of count. So I can write in one line, map dot getter default, check how many times it is there. If it is ch, if the character is there, then get me that character, do a plus 1. If it is not there, return me 0, and then do the, so on 0 you are doing plus 1, right? We can explain more in this one later, but for now you understood this key value pair of conditions. This is simply easy format. So this is how we do.